Welcome back to our channel. Today I have another fun fact about Pancit Bihon. My wife's going to be cooking this a little later in the video, but stick around, watch the short little clip. It's about 1 minute long. Watch that. It's exciting facts about Pancit Bihon. And to all our subscribers, we'd like to just go ahead and give you a thank you for supporting us. And if you want to continue to support us, there's a link right next to our profile picture. You just hit where it says the two other links. You hit there, and there's an option down there. It's called Buy Me a Coffee. You can go ahead and support our channel by buying me a coffee. So let's get to this short little video, and then we'll get to my wife's video after that. Thank you for watching Cooking with the Brobies. Thank you. Until the next time, I'm out.
The story of Pancit begins centuries ago when Chinese traders first brought noodles to the Philippines. The name itself, Pancit, actually comes from the Hokkien Chinese phrase, Pian Isit, which translates to convenient food. Makes sense, right? It's quick, easy, and delicious. But Filipinos didn't just copy the recipe. They took this convenient food and made it their own, adding unique local ingredients and a whole lot of flavor. This beautiful fusion of cultures is what created the distinct, savory, and absolutely irresistible Pancit Bihon we all know and love today. It's more than just a meal. It's a taste of history. If you enjoyed this little food history lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tasty stories. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Roby. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my Pancit Bihon. So, this is very popular dish in the Philippines. We always cook this one when we have a birthday party because they said it's for long life, okay? So, I always make this pancit here in the US all the time. This is one of the requests of my co-workers, so I'll bringing this pancit to work. So this is all the ingredients that I'm gonna use: cabbage, carrots, onions, garlic, nor chicken broth, and for the meat I'm gonna use chicken breast, Chinese sausage, the bihon, black pepper, soy sauce, and margarine. Let's start chopping our vegetables. So for my chicken, I have to boil the chicken breast. Add some black pepper. Garlic powder. And cook the chicken until it's tender. Chicken is done. I'm gonna save the broth for the pancit. We'll be back. Let's cook pancit. Now I already heated the pan, so I'm gonna put oil. Next will be my Chinese sausage. Fry this one. This will be my toppings. Have to saute my onions and garlic. Next is my chicken. Black pepper. Nor chicken cubes. Soy sauce. And the broth that I used for the chicken breast that I cooked earlier. Let it simmer, and then we're gonna add all our veggies. Next is the carrots. Cook it for 2 minutes. Next is our cabbage. Cabbage is done. Strain all my vegetables. I just cooked the cabbage half cook, so have a little crunch on it. Now, time to put the pancit in there. And also, I'm gonna add Pancit Canton. I'm gonna put half of this. Now we gotta put it back, our vegetables. I'm gonna leave a little bit for our toppings later. Mix it up. It's looking good. Next is I'm gonna add my Chinese sausage. And my star margarine. Mix them together until the margarine is melted. Look at that. I like my pancit glossy. Then add some black pepper. And that's it. You have now the Pancit Bihon Canton Guisado. Now you have it, Pancit Canton Guisado. Bring this to work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cooking with the Robies. Until next video, God bless everyone.